If you're not learning AI skills right now, you're already falling behind, and 2025 won't wait for you to catch up. The world is shifting at lightning speed, and the biggest winners aren't the coders or the engineers. They're the ones who know how to use AI as a tool to multiply their output, income, and freedom. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT. You need to understand how to use tools like ChatGPT to build the life you want. That's what separates the wealthy from the average in this new economy. Let's start with prompt engineering, the gateway skill to every other AI capability. Think of prompt engineering as digital alchemy. It's the ability to turn vague questions into gold standard results. Whether you're creating content, researching competitors, analyzing financial data, or writing email copy, prompt engineering is how you make AI work for you. It's not about sounding smart, it's about being precise, iterative, and strategic with your prompts. The best prompt engineers don't just get answers, they get solutions. They build workflows, they design outcomes. Next, AI content automation is the new passive income model. Right now, thousands of creators are making faceless YouTube channels, fully AI-generated podcasts, even writing entire books, without typing a word or showing their face. You can build systems where ChatGPT writes scripts, ElevenLabs reads them, Runway or Pika Labs generates the video, and a scheduler like Pictory or Opus Clip uploads everything on autopilot. If you understand these tools and how they connect, you can create an army of content that works for you 24/7. Then, we have data plus AI analytics. No spreadsheets, no formulas, no Python, just you and AI working together to find meaning. Imagine uploading a messy CSV file and asking your AI assistant, find me the top performing products by margin over the last 6 months. That would take a human hours. AI can do it in seconds, if you know how to guide it. This skill doesn't just make you efficient, it makes you dangerous, in the best way. Consultants, managers, marketers, most all will pay more for people who turn data into decisions. And don't sleep on AI-powered research. Imagine doing a week's worth of research in one afternoon. Market analysis, customer pain points, pricing comparisons, product reviews, all collected, summarized, and restructured in a form you can use. Tools like Perplexity AI, ChatGPT with browsing, and Claude's long context memory can read and summarize 100 pages while you sip your coffee. If knowledge is power, then AI is your amplifier. Now let's talk about AI-enhanced productivity. This isn't about working harder, it's about creating leverage through smart systems. If you're still writing emails by hand, attending every meeting in full, or checking your schedule manually, you're losing hours. Tools like Notion AI, Google Duet, or custom GPTs can handle scheduling, note-taking, document generation, and more. With the right automations, a single person can do the work of 5. Productivity in 2025 isn't about speed, it's about systems. Then there's voice cloning and video synthesis, the future of scalable influence. With ElevenLabs, you can clone your voice so well that even your family can't tell the difference. Combine it with text-to-video tools like Pika Labs or Synthesia, and you can generate hundreds of videos without recording a single second. This is how some creators now run 10 faceless YouTube channels, run ads at scale, or build video courses without lifting a camera. It's not about replacing you, it's about multiplying you. Here's one that's underrated: AI in business strategy. Most people think you need to invent something to get rich. You don't. You need to identify bottlenecks and remove them using AI. One-person businesses are now doing what used to take teams of 10. AI helps you validate product ideas, build landing pages, write copy, manage ads, and onboard customers, all in hours, not months. If you understand how to combine business models with AI capability, you're no longer a solo founder, you're a force multiplier. Let's also mention AI-assisted coding. You don't need to be a programmer, but knowing the basics of how AI interacts with code gives you an edge most people don't have. Whether it's building small web tools, automating tasks, or editing scripts, AI turns simple code into powerful tools. You can build a Chrome extension, generate SEO tools, or create landing page templates and sell them on marketplaces. Even if you're not a coder, you just need to know how to guide the AI to build it for you. And finally, AI personal assistants. Not just Siri or Alexa, we're talking autonomous agents like AutoGPT or Devin that complete tasks on your behalf. Imagine instructing your AI to book flights, analyze your inbox, or draft a weekly newsletter, and it just happens. These tools are still early, but the people learning to use them now will have an unfair advantage later. Because soon, knowing how to manage AI agents will be like knowing how to use the internet, a basic skill everyone expects. Let's get honest. AI won't just transform the job market, it's already doing it. The jobs you know today are vanishing, but entirely new ones are emerging. AI consultant, prompt designer, automation strategist, AI content producer. These jobs didn't exist 3 years ago, and the barrier to entry isn't a degree. It's curiosity and speed of learning. If you can master just one of the skills we covered, prompt writing, AI content, analytics, automation, you will always be in demand. Here's something nobody talks about: AI plus influence. Unlimited leverage. If you build even a small personal brand around AI, a blog, newsletter, YouTube channel, TikTok account, you create a digital asset that compounds. Your content builds trust. That trust brings opportunity. And AI makes content creation so fast, you have no excuse not to try. Use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, Midjourney to make images, and 11 Labs to narrate, and you're suddenly everywhere. Now, imagine you package all this into a business. That's what AI agencies do. They offer AI as a service. We'll automate your operations. We'll generate your marketing content. We'll train your staff on AI. You don't sell tools, you sell results. The client doesn't care what model you use. They care that their costs go down and their profits go up. And the best part? These skills scale. You can land your first $3,000 client solo, then build a team of agents and automations to handle the rest. And here's the final piece. AI isn't optional anymore. It's the new electricity, and like electricity, those who harness it will light up the world. You don't need to be first. You just need to be early enough. By 2026, the gold rush will be saturated, but in 2025, you still have time to carve your niche. Don't just consume AI content, apply it, experiment, make mistakes, launch ugly projects, learn fast, iterate faster. If this video sparked something in you, then now's the time to take action. Pick a skill, build something, start small, start today. Subscribe to this channel if you want weekly deep dives, tutorials, and tool reviews that give you an edge in the AI economy. And share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call, because the future doesn't wait. It belongs to those who move. This is Prompt AI Vision, where future-proof skills become your reality.